how to create a vintage and retro goods store on Shopify and make money online. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Shopify.com is a platform that allows you to create your own online store just by dragging and dropping elements. You will not even need any programming languages or any hard work. You just need to work smart. So here I'm going to show you how you can create your account in the first place. So just type Shopify in your search or in your browser, then click on Shopify, the first shown link, and here give it a few seconds to load. Then click on start free trial, then enter just your email, then you will have your account created. After that, you will proceed to this dashboard. This will be your dashboard. It's where you can change everything about your store. It's where you can manage everything about it. So here in your left, you have all of these buttons that you can use to control your theme. So here we have the orders. It's where you can see all of your orders. You can see the total orders, the ordered items over time. You can see the returns, the fulfilled orders, the delivered ones. Then we have the products. And here you can add new products or import other products from the other websites or stores. Then we have the customers, content, and the analytics. And this section is very important. It's where you're going to see all of your data. You're going to see your total sales, your conversion rate, your store sessions. You can also check your total orders, the average order value as well. So you can manage all of these things in this section. Then we have the online store. It's where you're going to change your theme, change how your store is looking. So here, the first thing we're going to do is to view our store to see how it's looking like right now. So this is how our store is looking like. We have this theme installed. I think this is craft, if I'm still remembering. So yeah, it's craft. It's our current theme. So here by scrolling down, you'll be able to see the other themes. So let's see if we can find a theme that matches vintage and retro goods. So here, let's filter by the free themes. We're not going to pay for the theme from the get-go. So here we have ride. It's about surfing products, refresh hair and skincare product, since skincare products as well. Spotlight is about clothing. Origin is about bags. Down is about handbags. Crafts. Taste about juices. Studio is about art and emerging talent. This one again is about fashion and clothing. Publisher is an independent studio and gallery offering a curated collection of books. And crave is about food. So I think the closest theme here to vintage and retro goods is craft, I think. So I'm going to use craft. So here just click on the theme, then scroll down and click on view demo store to check the theme first before installing it. So this is how the theme is looking like, and these are the collections or the categories. Let's click on this category, for example. This is how the products are looking like. I think I'm going to use this theme. So here click on try theme, then you will proceed to installing it. As you can see, it's been installed right now. You can just close the first window, you will not need it anymore. And here give it a few seconds to be installed. to be installed and reloaded. So here let's just wait for it to give it a few more seconds. So here it's been installing. Let's just go back to home and let's come back and refresh if it's still taking a long time. So here let's wait for it, and here it is, it's loaded right now. So the craft is already installed in our store. So here just click on customize in order to customize the theme. So guys, the most amazing thing about this platform is that you can change everything in here easily. You will not even need to look for it in the settings or in the theme settings or in these pages. You'll just need to scroll down, and whenever you find something that you want to change, for example, if I wanted to change the announcement bar, it's enough just to click on it. Then you will be able to change everything about it in your left. So here, for example, let's turn on the auto rotate announcements, and here let's change every 4 seconds. Then let's go back and let's change what's written inside the announcement bar. Let's change from welcome to our store to free shipping worldwide, for example. Then let's go back and let's add another announcement, and here let's go with 50% off today only. Then let's go back and watch it now. It's going to switch every 4 seconds between these two announcements. And guys, if you want to change the header, for example, here just click on the header, then you will be able to change everything about it. Let's make it to the middle left, and here click on the theme settings in order to add your logo. So just click on select image, or you can click on explore free images. Then you will be able to choose whatever image you'd like in here to be your logo. So for example, let's go with watches, and here let's choose this one. Click on select, then it will be your logo very easily. So just make sure, guys, when you're done with your changes, click on save to save all of your changes. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.